Hello Orfikins and welcome to yet another current affairs sessions by Orfikin. In today's session we will discuss the top 5 news from the Hindu newspaper. Today's date is 8th March. My name is Mayank Rai. Let us begin. The first news is about availability of free vaccines in Kerala. हाल ही में ही जिमी जॉर्ज इंडोर स्टेडियम में एक वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव किया गया और वहां ये देखा गया कि इट इज अ कंप्लीट मेस एज पीपल वर फाउंड ब्रीचिंग द रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस. हाल ही में जब फेज 2 वैक्सीनेशन चल रहा है जहां पे पीपल above the age of 45 years till the age of 59 years with comorbidities are allowed to have the vaccine, वहां पे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स, उनके बच्चे, उनकी फैमिली इस ग्राउंड पे आ गए फॉर द वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस. The health ministry observed the situation and gave an official statement saying we are not ready to vaccinate 40 to 50 lakh people per week. Also, if the vaccination was open for all, why we will have to set the phases? Next. Well, the second news is about Mithun Chakrabarti. The famous actor Mithun Chakrabarti has joined BJP this Sunday. He was once a member of Rajya Sabha representing Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress के लीडर का नाम है ममता बनर्जी, who is the current chief minister of West Bengal. But उन्होंने 2016 में resign कर दिया था. Now, he started his journey in BJP saying one of the famous dialogues from his movie, and that is Ek Chobol Chobi. Probably the meaning of this is deaths in one strike. It had a context of a poisonous and a non-poisonous snake. Now, we'll go towards the third one. Now let us discuss something about sports. Caroline Marin defeats PV Sindhu. Caroline Marin में हाल ही में ही स्विस ओपन सुपर 30 टूर्नामेंट में इंडिया के पीवी सिंधु प्लेयर को हराया. ये पीवी सिंधु की थर्ड सक्सेसिव लॉस है टू कैरोलिन मरीन. Results were very much clear, 21-12 and 21-5. Please note that Caroline is the third best badminton player in the world. अगला इवेंट जो पीवी सिंधु खेलेंगी वो है ऑल इंग्लैंड चैंपियनशिप्स which is a super 1000 इवेंट जो होगा from 17th March to 21st March. Next, IPL 2021, the Indian Premier League, जिसके चर्चा आजकल आप हर जगह देख रहे होंगे. Let us see some very interesting facts about IPL. The title sponsors are Vivo. The dates will be from 9th April to 30th of May. 9th April को आप पहला मैच देखेंगे between Mumbai Indians versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. Also, this time Kings 11 Punjab have changed their name to Punjab Kings. 30th May को जो फाइनल्स खेला जाएगा that will be played at the Motera Stadium, जिसका नाम बदल के रख दिया है नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम इन अहमदाबाद. जो वेन्यूज शॉर्टलिस्ट किए गए हैं फॉर IPL 2021 आर अहमदाबाद, चेन्नई, दिल्ली, बेंगलुरु, मुंबई एंड कोलकाता. But due to the state elections in Kolkata, the matches will be played post 6th May in there. Now let us discuss something about the farmer protest. 8th March will mark the 100-day milestone for the farmers' protest. This protest was launched by farmers demanding repeal of current farm laws. Also, on the International Women's Day, farmers declared that the protest will be led by women. So, कौन से हैं ये laws जिनको repeal करने की बात हो रही है? So, there are basically 3 laws. First is APMC bylaws. In simpler words, you can understand कि अब प्राइवेट मंडीज या फिर कोई एक प्राइवेट फार्मर अपनी खुद की मंडी भी लगा सकता है and they are given the provision to sell apart from APMC's provision. The second was December 9 proposal, which states registration of mandis. And last is contract farming, जहां पे एक फार्मर एक पर्सन या फिर एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके एक प्री डिटरमाइंड प्राइस पे अपना क्रॉप बेच सकता है. Now let us understand some suggestions for the day. The first is the military coup in Myanmar. आप सभी ने मिलिट्री कूप या मिलिट्री की जो हालत है म्यांमार में उसके बारे में सुना होगा. I would want you to go and have a read about that. Also, please go and read about Bengal elections starting 27th March, जिसका final result आएगा on 2nd of May. There is a lot of hustle going on in Bengal right now. So students, this is it from my side. I'll meet you in the next capsule. Till then, take care and keep learning.